everyone. So some of you in your packets from last time, so the first round of packets we sent home, should have a couple items to do a rocket experiment. So you should have an empty M&M tube that looks like this, and a pack of Alka-Seltzer tablets. So these are going to be used for an experiment that we are going to do outside a little bit later. But before we get to that, we're going to read our story, and it's called Zoom Rocket Zoom by Margaret Mayo. So she's the author, which means she wrote the words. And these are the pictures inside of it. Okay, Zoom Rocket Zoom. Mighty rockets are good at zoom, zoom, zooming. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift off, launching. Boom, as up they go, zooming, blasting into space. Smart astronauts are good at guiding, at the controls, watching and waiting. Then pow, booster rocket firing, traveling deep into space. Lunar modules are good at tricky moon landings. They leave the spaceship swooping, descending. Spidery legs ready for, bam, safe landing, touching down in space. Excited astronauts are good at moonwalking, bouncing, bounding, oops, no falling, scooping up moon rocks and carefully collecting. They work in space. Moon buggies are good at rolling, round wheels turning, soft dust gripping, across the humpy lumpy moon, bumpity bumping, exploring up in space. Space shuttles are good at big load moving, up they hurtle, booming, thundering, dock at the space station for fast unloading, carrying tools in space. Space stations are good for living and working, a place for eating, sleeping, studying, and whoopee, weightless somersaulting, a home while deep in space. Bold astronauts are good at spacewalking, with arms waving, almost dancing. On the job, rebuilding and repairing, working hard in space. Space satellites are good at around the Earth orbiting, taking pictures for weather forecasting. Signals flying, whiz, TVs receiving, circling around in space. Robot spacecraft are good at speeding, powered by the sun, they keep on flying, reaching distant planets and even landing, whizzing through deep space. Robot rovers are good at roaming. They travel over Mars, searching, exploring, wild winds measuring, red deserts finding, discovering in space. When night has come and the moon shines bright, reflecting back our sun's great light, explore the stars and search the sky and watch for satellites gliding by. And that's the end. All right, so in a little bit, I will show you how to do our rocket experiment outside. So stay tuned for that. Bye, guys.